Hi, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? What's going on? This video is very important for all Pancakeswap holder because my brother, in this video I will give you something very secret and very important information about this coin, my friend, because the price is dumping up very fastly. But absolutely, when this coin were pumping up, so I hope, my friend, they will broke all records and they will make you millionaire now. So please, holder, you will need, my friends, to hold now. I hope if you are starting holding, so I hope they will make you millionaire now and they will give you a very good profit. So of course, my friend, as you can see at this time, the Bitcoin price will be stand now, and I hope they will pump up. But if you are just in only hold now, otherwise this is impossible, my brothers. So they will give you a profit. So please hold it now. I hope they will give you a very good profit. Pancakeswap price will be increasing, my friend, as you can see at this time in the crypto, and I hope, my friend, the price will more increase if you are starting holding. So thanks for watching, Pancakeswap holder. I'm 100% sure, my friends, the price will more increase, but just only for all of you. I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, Pancakeswap holder. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos.